Good morning, people. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you all are doing very well in your life. By the way, the vlog is gonna be up, I think so, right now till now, because the net issue is a lot here. So the vlog will be there up soon. Now, ab hum ja rahe. It's finally day 2 in Morocco, and now we are leaving for a place. It's called Marrakesh. So वहाँ पे काफ़ी चीज़ें we can explore it, we're gonna show you all. And the second thing, why I'm in Morocco, I just give you a lot of hints and a lot of time I've spoken about that. So in Morocco we are here for my brother's wedding, and our family is here, and slowly everyone is coming here. So it's my brother's wedding. So we're gonna have an Indian and a Moroccan wedding here, and stay tuned so I can show you all of that. I'll make sure I'll cover every each in details, and I'll show you guys for sure. So after 5 घंटे की ड्राइव करके फाइनली हम मराकेश मार्केट, जो ओल्ड सूक क्या कहते हैं उसको, ओल्ड मदीना जैसे ओल्ड मदीना मराकेश कहते हैं, तो हम फाइनली पहुंच गए. So basically, this is the Marrakesh Medina. You call it Marrakesh Medina, the square, right? The square. आपको जितनी भी है, you will get in traditional things, old things, everything you can get here, and something very nice, artwork and all. And most of them are handmade, as I told. So let's see, it's nice. They have a lot of things here, by the way. Chooses, some traditional masalas, like it. And this is the roof. This Medina, you will get. Okay, so these are traditional, I think, not traditional, these are the local things of Morocco. And it's a blue water. This is a menu, and this is the place we're gonna eat. But there's one more surprise. Let's wait for that. Say hi. Wow, such a nice thing, yaar. Oh my God, such a nice one, man. Wow. So this is what you get in every restaurant. ठीक है, ये olive oil है. इसमें ये लोग थोड़ा सा मसाला डालते हैं and many things. ऐसा है. नहीं पता मुझे. तो दुबई में मेडिकल एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेगा. And a bit of मसाला डाला इसमें. And the rest of the thing is very good. बहुत अच्छा taste है. Try करो भाई. And this is my favorite drink here in Morocco. और ये मैं दुबई में भी बहुत पीता हूँ. It's Poms, I think so. You spell it like that. I like it. And yeah. Kata अच्छा है. Taste अच्छा है. Try it. Very nice. Oh yeah. Chalo. Let's see. Oh wow. Mashallah. It's so beautiful over here. Get some handmade things. Yeah, that was the restaurant. Mamu ka hai? Mamu. Allah, let's go. Wow, that is sick. Oh, these all are handmade. These all are handmade over here. Wow, those are authentic things. So basically we are done with that side. Now we came in this side. Once we are in the car, then I will tell you what is this soup called Medina, and I will tell you what is it about Marrakesh. And right now we're here looking at something. يا اخويا يا So basically we have been to this old Souk Medina. It's old Souk Medina of Marrakesh, and now it's like they have what they have here. Basically they have the old the traditional things of Morocco, and all of those are they have a lot of things over here. कहाँ पे ये? बोला था टेंशन मत। हाँ। Oh, they are doing it. So basically this villa belongs to our biggest lawyer in Morocco, and while he was building this he died, and now his sons and daughters they are building it. That's nice, mashallah. Hello guys, good morning and welcome to the day 4. तो कल हम मराकेश गए थे as you know, और हमने काफ़ी चीज़ें एक्सप्लोर की वहाँ पे. आज हम आए हैं द अटलांटिक ओशन. सो यहाँ पे काफ़ी चीज़ें हैं एक्सप्लोर करने लायक राबत में. तो उनमें से एक चीज़ ये है द अटलांटिक ओशन एज यू कैन सी. और इसके जो हवा है गाइस, इट्स सो नाइस. It's very amazing, like the waves. Look at the waves. आज हमारा ज्यादा प्लान नहीं है. आज हमारे दूल्हे साहब आ रहे हैं, हम उनको पिक करने जाएंगे एयरपोर्ट. और मेरा बैगेज, बाय द वे गाइस, बैगेज मेरा आ चुका है और उसको भी हमें पिक करने जाना है. They called us in the morning and they said, "Oh, hello, Miss Khan, आपका बैगेज आ गया है. Congratulations, you can come now, pick it up." I said, "Okay, thank you." They took 3 days to bring the baggage, but so far so good. Alhamdulillah, at least we got the baggage. So now अब बैगेज हम वहाँ से पिक करेंगे. पिक करने के बाद हम मेरे भाई को पिक करेंगे, मेरी मॉम भी आएंगे उनके साथ, और हम लोग सब फिर वहाँ से we'll see what to do. फिर उसके बाद शायद आज और भी जगह एक्सप्लोर कर लें हम, like a nightlife of Morocco and everything. And look at the wave. Hello Raju bhai, how are you? हम लोग एडवेंचरस से निकल गए भाई. And the people who are seeing us guys, जो लोग हमें देख रहे हैं ना, वो यही कह रहे हैं कि ये लोग है कौन भाई, इतना नीचे डीप जा रहे हैं. हालांकि यहाँ पे ज्यादा लोग आते नहीं है मोस्टली लोग, फिर भी still we are going very deep. And we have Ayub with us. Ayub, say hi. कंफर्म है कि यहाँ जो मैं इतना चल रहा हूँ ना इन सब चीजों पे, इसके बाद ये जूता मेरा कोई काम का नहीं रहेगा, क्योंकि you know these shoes are not made for this. But let's go and check it out. Animal lover of course. Persian है, पक्का Persian है. देसी. So we are heading back. These are the rocks. What do you call this? These are rocks? Sakhar. Sakhar. Okay, you call this Sakhar? It's pretty hard and pretty sharp also, you know. We finished with that, the Rabat, I showed you the Atlantic Ocean. It was so amazing. We had a blast there. Now we are heading to Casablanca airport to pick up the groom, and the bride is sitting right behind the camera. But it's a surprise. You will see her acting on the wedding day.
A lot of suspense.
So you will see her on the wedding day. It will be blast, inshallah. We have a lot of surprises in the wedding also. It's coming up. And finally our baggage, it's here.
Finally!
I'm wearing one cloth for 3 days, by the way.
No, I'm talking about this.
Only I just changed the shirt. I just changed the hoodie. That's it.
Mama.
Now we are just going to Casablanca
Indian
airport to
drama.
pick up our to pick up our groom, and my mother also,
Your
she's
mom.
also here.
Yeah.
So yalla, inshallah, we'll pick them up and I'll show you the view.
Say bye.
Bye.
This is a Moroccan wave! اللي ترك ما يخيب ويجلس لحبيب اللي ترك ما يخيب اللي ما تتمشي يا تاني وعبا خويا والله كله كيسو عبا
Basically, this is Moroccan dance and I have to do it. That's what she said.
Yeah. Halas, there's no surprise in there.
No, there's more surprises. The bride came in front of the camera, so there's surprises. You know, you don't know, you never know what's gonna happen next.
No.
So that's one, and it's here. So this is total 11, and finally I got the 11 bags back, and now we are heading back to the car, and let's see if it fits or no. Even the azan sounds same like India. Same. This like an industrial area. Yeah, I know.
أثر العهد عندك كذب وهم ومزوح
So it's like a local area of Saleh. We are currently in Saleh. So it's a local area. You have fruits, you have breads, you have strawberries, a lot of things on the street you can buy. And so the groom is here, and she will be hidden till the wedding. What's up, guys? How are you? All good. Actually, जब हम कासाब्लांका से राबत आए थे, तो उसमें क्या हुआ कि मेरे जो बैगेज थे, obviously 3 दिन से जो नहीं मिले थे हमें, वो मिल गए. So you can see I changed the t-shirt. So उसके बाद हम घर पहुंचे, and then we were having some little bit of chit-chats with the family. और यहाँ पे जब ग्रूम आता है तो उनके लिए कुछ दुआएं बढ़ी जाती हैं, काफ़ी कुछ होता है. वो मैं व्लॉग नहीं कर सकता था बिकॉज उनकी फैमिली के सम इश्यूज है. लाइक इट्स नॉट गुड टू व्लॉग देम. सो मैंने फिर उसको व्लॉग नहीं किया, मैंने फ़ोन साइड में रख दिया था. बट टू बी ऑनेस्ट मैं आपको पूरा व्लॉग अच्छे से दिखाऊंगा. जिनके ट्रेडिशनल्स है वो होंगे ऑन द वेडिंग डे. आई विल शो यू दैट. एंड फॉर रेस्ट कल हमारा काफ़ी अच्छा प्लान है, तो लेट्स सी होपफुली सब अच्छे से जाए. कल तो मैं आपको जरूर शो करूँगा, एंड कल की बात हम कल के ब्लॉग में करेंगे. तो होपफुली अगर आप लोग ने यहाँ पे देख लिया है, एंड फॉर एनी रीजन यू गाइज लाइक द वीडियो, सो यू जस्ट शो सम लव एंड लाइक, कमेंट, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब guys, and stay tuned. We have a lot of things to coming up, guys. Even after Morocco, we have Dubai. After Dubai, we have one more exciting country to go. So don't worry, guys. We have many things to plan, but show some love, and hopefully we'll do it, inshallah. Okay, take care, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Appreciate that. Love you.